Hey loves, what's up? We're back at it again with another wig review. This one is for my bang lovers, and it's a 20-inch human hair ombre loose wave full cap wig from the company Hotbeautyhair. This color is called TB/4/27 and the unit is 180% density. These types of wigs are perfect for my ladies out there who are beginners and do not want the hassle of dealing with any lace or any glue. This is just a throw on and style and go type of jam. Link to purchase this wig will be in the description bar below, and you can use my code ANNE, that's ANNE, to get 15% off your order, baby. So as mentioned before, this is a full cap unit, meaning it has no lace, and it features 2 combs at the side, 1 at the back, along with adjustable straps and an elastic band. Now y'all, for me, I would say that this wig felt a little awkward getting her to sit right, especially at the sides. It was obvious that there was just not enough cap to cover the perimeter of my hair. So the placement of the side combs were basically useless because they were like not really at the side. If I were to wear this wig again, I would definitely use a wig grip instead. As you can see also, this wig was looking hella rough straight out the packaging. You be looking crazy. You will need to flat iron the bangs and play around with your curls to your liking. For me, I didn't like the curly Sue vibes that the lower part of the wig was giving off. So I'm gonna put a picture right here of how it looked before I decided to go in and flat iron the ends and give it more of a bump curl instead. This curl pattern was definitely not loose wave in my opinion, because most of the curls were at the end of the wig. But y'all, I pulled it off. Your girl did the do. I made it look real good. If you think I did the do too, hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button, honeys, to be a part of my beauty family over here. But yeah, I'm just gonna play some music and let you guys enjoy the rest of the show and tell of how I pulled off this wig. As I said before, the link to purchase it will be in the description bar below, and my coupon code ANNE will give you 15% off your order. So until next time, I love you guys. Bye. Yeah.